the highest, most beautiful, yet most dangerous form of devotion. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about someone who has Mahabhav, the greatest emotion for Shri Krishna. Let's find out who she is. Namaste, Haribol, Radhe Radhe, I Vijayalakshmi welcome you all back to another enlightening episode of Positive. In this episode, we'll talk about the goddess of love, Radha Rani, cute Kishori ji. She loves Krishna. We'll see many people who love someone or other, or maybe Shri Krishna. But nobody loves Shri Krishna more than Srimati Radha Rani. Radha Rani's love for Shri Krishna is dangerous in the sense that there is no room for desire, no room for ego. There is complete surrender. Shri Krishna himself wanted to taste what Shri Radhika has for Shri Krishna. So Shri Krishna came down on this earth just to taste that drop of love from the ocean of love of Radha Rani for Shri Krishna. So Shri Krishna came down as the golden avatar with the heart, complexion and mood of Srimati Radhika Rani as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When I read about the pastimes, when I read about Radha Rani's love for Shri Krishna, I get one thing, that Shri Radhika's reflection is in all of us. If we have compassion in our heart, if we have love in our heart, that means we have that mood, maybe a little teeny tiny drop of what Srimati Radhika Rani has for Shri Krishna. So let's revive that, let's fuel that fire more. Let's burn ourselves more for Shri Krishna. How can we do that? Cry for Krishna. When we cry for Krishna's love, we germinate that love that we have dormant in our heart right now for Shri Krishna. When we serve Shri Krishna, when we surrender Shri Krishna, we can have that emotion that Srimati Radha Rani is teaching us to have for Shri Krishna. When instead of asking God, what can you do for me? We ask, what can I do for you? How can I serve you, oh dear Krishna? That's when the love will get ignited in our heart. Let's try. Start with this one thing, that when you pray, instead of asking anything from Shri Krishna, just ask, how can I help you? How can I serve you, Shri Krishna? Please guide me on this path of devotion, on this path of bhakti. Shri Radhika Rani teaches us selfless love and surrender at the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. She doesn't say, I love you, Krishna. She says, Krishna exists, that's enough for me. And she is so merciful that she gives us Shri Krishna's love. So let's think of Srimati Radhika Rani's lotus feet. Let's reach out to her so that she can give us devotion, unalloyed love for Shri Krishna, her beloved. If you like this video, please comment Radhe Radhe. I'll see you next Wednesday on YouTube and Spotify. Till then, keep on spreading love. Keep on asking and desiring for Shri Krishna's love. Namaste, Haribol, Radhe Radhe.